Hello everyone, my name is Imran Ali and today I'm going to show you how to use Any.do for productivity to manage your everyday and work tasks to work better and get more productive. So let's get started. What you have to do that you need to come on this website www.any.do and you will land on this page. As you can see, this one is showing for mobile version. You can just add widgets and this is the application in mobile on mobile. So you can see there's a lot of information over here. What are you gonna do that you're just gonna go and log in? So I'm gonna log in right now, and this will ask you that which email, or are you going with the Google, or are you signing with the Facebook? So I'm gonna go with the Facebook Google, because all of my platform are connected to my Google account. So I'm gonna go with the Google. So as you can see here, hey Imran Ali, we are really excited to have you with us. Click on the new blah 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 blah. So I'm just gonna skip it because I know what I'm gonna do, and this is a plan. I will show you about this later, so just leave it for now. So as you can see, this is the interface of Any.do platform, and you can see on the left side this is the dashboard, and this is the task which you are going to manage, and here you can just sync with your Google Calendar too. So if you want to, you can do that too. So just leave it here. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go here. I can just I'm gonna explain. Actually, I'm gonna explain about this dashboard. So as you can see, you can just place your profile picture if you want. You can create new tasks from here. These are shortcut. In short, they are trying to tell you that the upcoming days, and they will gonna notify you and you can see easily. They just organized it very well. So yeah, this is the list which you will create, and these are the tags which you will create too. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna create a new task. So you can create it from here, and you can see this is the window will open after clicking create a new task. And you can just name it anything. Just I'm gonna name it like shopping, and you can just write notes over here. This is the title, obviously, and on the right side you can see the list. So what is this list? You can click on it and you can just manage it where you want to put this in. So right now this is the personal, and if you want to manage more lists here, you can just go here. I will tell you about that. So right now I'm gonna go with the remind me. Obviously remind me, it will notify you. So this evening you can just click on it, tomorrow, next week if you want, and you can just customize it with the date and everything, calendar, year, everything. So even though time also included. So next thing is someday. I don't know about someday, but maybe random days, I guess. So what you're gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add this task. Once you click on it, you can see my task is here, Wednesday today, and this is my task. And under shopping you can see this is the list from personal. And now we go on the left side, you can see on the next 7 days you will find this task, and on today also, on all tasks also. So in the list you can add more lists if you want, like from this plus sign, and you can create it like a shopping list, and you can create it. So what happens now, if I go back to that task, you can see this is my task, right? So just click on it, and this is the task details. So what happens now, you can see in the list detail that you can just personalize it, and I'm gonna put this list in shopping list. So right now it's on shopping list. So this is why these list section are here. And you can just add tag. These are the tags, right? So you can see this is a priority, so I'm just gonna add tag, and this is the priority. And other than that, you can see important family, deadline, nothing, track back, and science project. These all are premium versions, so you have to buy premium version for Any.do to get access to it. So I'm just gonna go with the priority and save it. So it will also include in this text section, and you can see that it has now yellow color, sorry, and it will notify that this is prioritized for me. So yeah, so as you can see, there are multiple tasks over here. You can just add new sub tasks like this if you want, and you can just add notes regarding to this shopping list, and you can also attach attachments like your pictures and everything. You can, when it's done, you can just mark as done from here, or you can just click from here if you want. And these are the activity invite list members. If you want to invite someone with the link, is you can also do that too. So now on this area you can find arrows which can be used for managing your list, and like which one will be going on the top or going on the bottom. So this is for the managing, organizing the task. And on the right side you can find this multiple selection B, and you can also print it if you want. So yeah, all of that are available in this task section. So now you know that what to do with Any.do, and how to be productive with your task. And from now I'm just gonna tell you multiple things which you can do here. Like this, you can see this pin, what it does. Like if I click on it, this will hide here, and if I click back, this dashboard will show again. And if I take it away, this will close again. But I would prefer go with this. So I don't know why they did that, but this is your preference. So yeah, on the right side you can see we have a search option, we have notification, we have refresh and settings. So search, you can search your task. You can have notifications over here. You will find this sync, refresh. So if you have connected this with your Google account, so obviously this will sync, this will keep you update. And these are the settings. You can just add, you can just change your theme from here, like go with the light or dark if you want. I would prefer dark obviously. And you can change the background too from here, like full dark black background. You can just do with this leaves. uh, and desktop notification, these are just more advanced features you can do. And yeah, now you can see I have clicked on this background, so it's showing that this is the upgradable version. You can do that without upgrading your Any.do. So I'm just gonna go with the normal background. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna show you the pricing of Any.do. So if we go here, go premium, you can find these monthly subscriptions. Like for 1 month you can give $6 per month, or for the whole year you can just give $3 per month. And this will save you 50%, and for 6 months you will give 4.50 per month. So yeah, these are the premium features which you can get access to. And that's it. This is what you all need to know about this Any.do. I hope you understand what I have tried to say. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.